Good afternoon, this is Brian McLean, MarineMax and Stuart, standing aboard a very cool boat, the 2024 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS Outboard version. We're going to do a quick walkthrough today. This is a white boat, white hull side with the black hardtop. Starting here in the back, we have a very great engine package, twin 600 V12s with joystick piloting. Very capable engine of pushing this boat along at great cruising and top end speeds. One unique feature we equipped this boat with is the fishing package. So as you can see up here, we actually have two carbon fiber Gemlux outriggers. So not only a boat that is incredible for cruising, but also a fishing boat as well. And one really nice thing Cruisers did was expand the space behind the sun lounge to actually give you a place to fish. We do have gunnel rod holders on both port and starboard side, a nice rocket launcher here in the back, complemented by your nice sun lounge to lounge out or watch your lines while you're trolling. As we walk into the boat, you'll notice a very expansive social zone, U-shaped seating around a beautiful teak table. And then off to the port side, we have a nice summer kitchen, two refrigerators, a sink, an electric grill, and that's all complemented by two bar stools. Sunroof up on top. Nice windows off the port and starboard side that will open. Large windshield for great visibility. And then a great electronics package, two Simrad displays, Seakeeper, Mercury joystick, Mercury throttles, active trim, all the great features that we're all used to. As we walk up to the bow, you'll notice they bring the gunnel height all the way up, so it still leaves for a very safe access up front, which leads you to very comfortable bow seating. We do have an optional table that we can drop in, stereo controls, armrests, and much more. For your weekends out in the water, we do have a nice cabin to enjoy. So we have a forward berth with a table that will go up and down for dining or sleeping. And then we do have a larger aft berth, all complemented by a well-appointed head and shower. Again, Brian McLean, MarineMax and Stuart, we'd love to show you this boat in person or tell you a little bit more. Please give us a call at MarineMax Stuart, 772-287-4495. Thank you for watching.